morning everyone. This is Roli ma'am again here for science class, and today we are going to discuss chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. We are familiar with the word coal because you may have often seen the coal as a black and tough solid. Earlier times it was used in cooking food and steam engines also. Nowadays it is used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Now we are going to discuss how coal is formed or formation of coal. So billions of years ago our earth was covered with the dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. But due to natural processes like flooding and so many other calamities, these forests got buried under the soil. Now, this is a pure forest, then layers of soil deposited over it. As a result, this forest got compressed, and because of this compression, the temperature and pressure both increases. Pressure increases because of so many layers deposited over it and compressed this dead vegetation, and as a result forest become dead and they compressed this dead vegetation, and because of sinking and high compression, their temperature increased. So as a result of this high pressure and high temperature, this dead vegetation get converted into coal. So the conversion of dead vegetation due to high pressure and high temperature into coal is known as carbonization, because coal contains mainly carbon. So it is a carbon product, and the process is known as conversion of the dead vegetation into coal is known as, and it is a very slow process. So the conversion of slow conversion of dead vegetation into the coal is known as carbonization. Now, coal is a fossil fuel. Why it is a fossil fuel? Because it is formed by the dead vegetation, means dead remains of organisms. So it is fossil fuel. Fossil is the dead remain of organisms. So after combustion, it gives out carbon dioxide gas. Coal is obtained from coal mine, and after taking out from the coal mine, it is processed in industries to take out main substances like coke, coal tar and coal gas. Each of them have separately important uses, and the process by which it is taken out is known as destructive distillation. Now move to the next topic, petroleum. We are familiar with the word petrol and diesel. We are using it in our vehicle as fuel, vehicle and automobiles as our fuel, and so these are the familiar fuel for our transport media. Now it's time to think from where these substances are obtained. So these petrol and diesel, these fuels are obtained by a raw material which is known as petroleum. Now we will discuss how petroleum is formed, formation of petroleum. So petroleum is formed by the organisms living in the sea. As they die, they sank and reached to the bottom of the sea. So at the layer of the dead organisms, on the layer of the dead organisms, so many layers of the soil deposited, and their dead remains compressed. Because of this compression, their temperature and pressure increases very high. So in the absence of air, high temperature and high pressure, these dead organisms compressed in the layers of the soil or sand converted into petroleum and natural gases. These petroleum and natural gases are taken out by the oil rig, and it is sent to the industries for their purification. You can see deposits figure of deposits here. So this is the water lying below the ground, and oil floats, layer of oil floats on the water, and the layer of gas floats above the oil. Why it happens? It happens because of the density. Water has a higher density in comparison to the oil. So being low density, oil floats on water, and gas being having a least density, it floats on layer of the oil. So this was all about the formation of petroleum. I hope you understand. Thank you.